Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Friday. We made it. Oh, let me tell you, it was a long week, so I'm glad it's Friday even though I work all weekend, but at least it's a break from my full-time job. Anyways, I wanted to hop on here because I have a package that came in the mail, and first I want to start out by saying that I recently got a collaboration deal with F3 Activewear. So it's a fitness leggings company that reached out to me on Instagram, and if you don't follow me on my public fitness Instagram page, I'll link it below. But they reached out to me and wanted to do a collaboration, which I couldn't resist. So I'm very excited to share this video with you guys. It's not sponsored. I just want to show you what I got. And then if you guys have any questions about them, go ahead and let me know. Otherwise, I do have a 15% off code for you guys. And I'll link that in the description below as well. But I just got the package, so I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you guys what I got. And then I'll explain a little bit more about the collaboration as well. Okay, so they come in a bag like this, and it says F3 Activewear, and this is the first pair. I got two pairs. Oh my gosh, you guys, this material is so soft. Okay, well, this is the first pair that I got. So it's just a purple color, kind of like a lavender color almost. I don't know if you can see that, but the material, you guys, is so soft. Okay, so that's the first pair, and then I got the second pair, which is like a bright pink color. So I'll show you those. All right, so this is what the second pair looks like. So it kind of has this design pattern down the leg, and then on the back, like, goes to the back as well. So that is what that one looks like. And you guys, I wish I could like let you feel these through the camera, but they're so soft. Like, I have a lot of workout leggings and pants, but none of them are as soft as this material. Yeah, so that's the first pair. And this is the second pair, this purple color. So, okay, so those are the leggings. So basically how it works is they reached out to me, and if you are interested in fitness leggings, if you're into fitness and you're looking to get a new pair of leggings, I'll leave the link below, and then when you go to check out, you just enter my code, which I'll also leave below, and then it's going to save you 15% off of the leggings. So basically, instead of paying $60 for a pair of leggings, you're going to pay $50. So you're getting $10 off. Shipping is free, and they take about a week or so. I ordered these I think like last week Monday, and I just got them and it's Friday, so it takes just over a week for them to come in the mail, but totally worth it, you guys. Like, this material is like pajama material almost. It's so soft, and I don't know about you, but I like to be comfortable when I'm working out, so this is like the perfect material. So I just wanted to hop on here and share that with you guys. I'm very excited about this collaboration with F3, and I would love for you guys to check them out. If you have any questions about them, you can go ahead and leave your questions below, and I will answer them as best that I can. But otherwise, that's all I have in terms of the leggings. Oh, they do have like crop tops as well. I'm not big into that. I prefer to just wear a regular t-shirt or like that tank top if you watched my video from a few days ago on my gym essentials. But that I just got from Amazon, and I also did link that below for you guys to check out as well. But go ahead and check out their website. I will link it below here for you guys. So if you want to follow me on my public fitness Instagram page, I try to post every day, but sometimes it's only a couple times a week. But I am trying to post as much as I can for you guys. But I do post like some of the recipes that I make. And if you guys are interested in what I do make as part of my weight loss journey, go ahead and leave your question below and I will answer it. Otherwise, if you do follow me on Instagram, I do post them there. And if you comment that you want to know the recipe, I will share it with you guys. But Pinterest is like my best friend. That's where I get a lot of my recipes. But I also follow some fitness girls on Instagram as well. And then so we kind of like share our recipes with each other. But I'm willing to share them with you guys if you want them. But like I was saying, F3 does have shirts or like crop tops if you're into that as well. And then of course the leggings. So if you have any questions, go ahead and feel free to just let me know and I will answer them as best as I can. But otherwise, I hope you guys have a great weekend and I'll see you in my next one.